Hi, this is Ajay Devgan, and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
So we've taken a few questions from Facebook as well. You're live on Facebook right now. So this is Mudit Devan. What is the most difficult scene to shoot in the movie?
Go to see, nothing was difficult and everything was very tough. Standing in minus 20, 25 degrees, no chairs around, no food in the sense you had just packaged because, the access, you couldn't reach there. And my whole unit, I can challenge anybody to stand in minus 20 degrees for half an hour also.
No, absolutely.
It gets very tough. While speaking lines, we used to slur. And, to switch on the camera also, your fingers were not working.
No, absolutely.
So in that situation, the whole team has worked. And I really want to thank them, the way they stood by me. Okay, it was my passion, but they still stood by me, feeling that it is their film. And that is how this film has been made.
And so in terms of mountaineering, because both you and Abigail, you both have been shown to just climb the mountains. How tough was it? Because some of the
needed practice.
Some of the scenes look like outstandingly
You needed
stunning,
practice.
actually.
You needed practice and
extremely dangerous as well. I don't know
once
how you guys manage it.
No, that we have we have a lot of safety measures, things like this. But yes, I had asked Abs the day I finalized her. I said, now you need to get into mountain climbing practice, and that's what she did for 6 months there in the UK.
Right.
So and that's what I also did for some time. So I think it was fun.
And so there's a beautiful scene where I think that it's hanging by the cliff, and there's you and Erica. I think they are in that tent. What is it exactly?
Yes.
That's a beautiful scene. Like whose idea? Like how did you think of something like that?
It just came to my mind.
Right.
The situation. It's a situation in the film. Actually, it's not just for the sake of it. How they reach there is also the story.
Fantastic, fantastic. So this is Saurav Kumar. If this movie becomes blockbuster, will you plan for sequel?
A film like this, I think the audiences will be able to judge much more that should a sequel be made.
Do you think it can be made?
I have a thought, but it depends how the film does, and then after that I'll take it forward. But it won't be a regular sequel.
No, definitely.
Yeah,
You've taken a long time after You Me or Hum.
Yeah.
So I'm sure that it will. So this is Deepak. Have you gone through any major injury?
I got hypothermia once, which is very fatal for your life. And but what doctor said that I would recover in 4 days. I recovered in half an hour because I couldn't waste time, but I moved on to the set. Yes, but hypothermia is terrible. You feel terrible. You're delusioned. You can't see. You can't focus.
Oh my God.
You can't talk. It's like a brain freeze. When the wind really hits you hard and you're standing in the cold, and if it keeps hitting your ear, your brain it's like a brain freeze. So that's what happened to me once. And then minor injuries. That I don't even bother about.
Sure. So this is Ashutosh Sahu. When is the second trailer going to be released? Will you have a second trailer releasing?
I have now. I will start the talkie and the action of the film, action trailers and the talkie of the film. As far as a long theatrical is concerned, I really don't know. And also the problem is there's no film releasing. To make a theatrical, till our release this October is all pre-Diwali. Right. So there is no film releasing to put a theatrical out. Absolutely. But yes, on television I will have talkies.
Fantastic. So this is Rajesh Devan. What is the duration of the entire shoot of Shivai? How many days you guys took?
105 days, I would say.
Okay, and Babita Mall, did Abigail MS remind you of your own daughter Nisa?
Yes, so many times. She's so honest and sweet that she did, and that is why the chemistry you can see.
Fantastic. So finally, if you can please tell us something about your forthcoming films. Badshah, I think you're starting.
Badshah will start shooting in November as soon as I release this film. About the story, I wouldn't want to talk much.
No, absolutely, that's fine.
It is based in the 70s.
Right.
And that's another film I'm looking
collaborating once again with Milan Luthra.
Yeah.
Okay, and Golmaal, you're starting early next year. That was, and if you can tell us more about what are the other things that you're planning, sir.
Right now,
you're producing.
Right now, these are the two.
Right.
And Remo's film, like people were asking. Beyond that, I've planned Sons of Sardar, which I want to
make. That's a very interesting premise that you're taking. 1897,
yes,
I think.
Yes.
Between
but that needs a lot of pre-production and a lot of post. So I'm going to take my own sweet time making it.
So you'll be, but there's no tentative idea when you're starting, and
I would be starting in the mid of next year.
mid of next year you're starting, and release tentative. And
I've not decided.
You've not decided. Okay. So thank you very much. It was lovely talking to you, and you'd like to say something to your fans on Facebook?
I would say thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope that you'll love and enjoy the film because I really feel that it is a film which will really take us forward.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thanks.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.